Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can set up always on display on Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First, you need to go to your setting and search always on display. So as you can see, none of option appear. That means Samsung Galaxy A17 does not have built-in always on display option. But we can enable this option through third-party app. So let me show you how you can do that. First, you need to go to your Play Store, tap on search. To enable always on display, you need to download this app. So click on install. It will take few seconds. Now tap on open and enable this option. Now go back, tap on always on display. Now here you will see all the options of always on display. Select any one which you like. Let's say I like this one. You can edit it or customize it according to your liking and tap on apply. Now it is enabled, so let's check. Now as you can see, it is working absolutely fine. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in next video.